All right, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and you already know we love us a good spaghetti over here, but we're gonna put a twist on it today. I'm gonna show you how to make this creamy Cajun beef spaghetti. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here, we have our spaghetti noodles right here, ground beef. I have a combination of cheddar and mozzarella cheese here, heavy whipping cream, onions, Cajun seasoning, Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper here, chopped garlic, chicken broth, and we have some olive oil here. That's all we're gonna need. Let's jump into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our spaghetti noodles. We already have our water over here boiling. I've already added salt. We're gonna add our noodles here, and we're gonna cook these for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's al dente. While that's cooking, we're gonna head over to our stove and start preparing our spaghetti mixture. All right, guys, so to get started, we're gonna melt some butter and our olive oil. We're gonna go in with our onions, and we're gonna cook these for a few minutes until those onions soften. Next, we're gonna go in with our garlic, and we're gonna let this rock out for the next 30 to 45 seconds. Make sure you don't burn your garlic. We're gonna keep that baby moving around. All right, so after that 30 to 45 seconds, the next thing we're gonna do is go in with our ground beef. And I typically use the 80-20. You don't want too much grease. And the little grease that the 80-20 produces, man, is really just flavor. It doesn't make it overly greasy. So we're gonna get that crumbled up here real quick. And before we go too far, we're gonna hit this with our salt and pepper and our Cajun seasoning. And we're gonna continue to get this baby mixed in until that beef is cooked all the way through and brown. And this could take about 6 to 8 minutes. All right, so after we browned our beef, next we're going in with our chicken broth, our heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna reduce this heat to a simmer, and we're gonna simmer this for about 3 to 5 minutes. All right, guys, after that 3 to 5 minutes and that sauce has thickened just a little bit, we're gonna go in with our Parmesan cheese and our mozzarella and cheddar cheese. We're gonna get this mixed in here until that cheese melts. All right, so once that cheese is melted, we're gonna take our pasta, our cooked pasta, and we're gonna add it to our pot like this. And we're gonna toss our noodles into our sauce. And guys, make sure you reserve some pasta water just in case it gets a little bit too thick for you and you want to thin it out just a little bit. All right, guys, that's what we have. We can turn our heat off, head over to our cutting board, take a final look, and get into quality control. All right, guys, so now we're at our cutting board. The only garnishment we're gonna add is some of that green stuff, some fresh parsley. And there you have it, guys. Creamy Cajun beef spaghetti. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because it's time for us to do a quick taste test. Let's get to it. All right, so it's quality control time, guys. Let's bring these groceries. Oh man, look at them groceries. Ooh, these are groceries. We ain't gonna talk too much. We just gonna get straight to it. Straight to it. Oh man, add this one to the list. Enough said. Until then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.